Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of signing into your Tyson Foods account. Whether you're an employee or a partner, this simple guide will make your login process quick and easy. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Step 2. Go to the Tyson Foods login page. In the address bar of your browser, type https://login.tyson.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official Tyson Foods login page. Step 3. Enter your username. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a space for your username. This is typically the email address associated with your Tyson Foods account. Type in your username and double-check for accuracy. Step 4. Enter your password. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you input the correct password associated with your username. If you're unsure about your password, you can use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 5. Click Sign In. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. This will take you to your Tyson Foods account dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues while signing in, double-check the following. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Verify that your username and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset feature on the login page. Step 7. Security tip. Remember to log out after you're finished using your account, especially if you're on a shared device. This ensures your information remains secure. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Tyson Foods account. We hope this video was helpful. If you encountered any issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.